Are you a homeowner facing tough times? Is the burden of a property in need of repairs weighing you down? Well, it's time to take control of your situation and find a solution that can work for you. Welcome to Syndicated Realty and Development, where we specialize in helping distressed homeowners just like you. Whether your home needs extensive repairs or you've inherited a property that has become more of a headache than an asset, we are here to guide you through the process. Our team of experienced professionals understands the challenges that you are facing. We provide the expertise and the support you need to make informed decisions about your property. With our comprehensive approach, we'll teach you how to accurately estimate the repairs and determine the market value of your home based on its current condition. No more guessing games or uncertainty, just clear, actionable information. But that's not all. We offer a wide range of options tailored to your unique circumstance. Whether you're interested in selling to an investor for a quick, hassle-free transaction, or if you prefer to find a new homeowner who will appreciate your property and your property's potential, we'll help you explore the choices. Sometimes finding the right solution requires thinking outside the box. That is where our creative strategies come into play. We'll work with you to structure the deal that meets you and your needs and puts you back in control of your financial future. At Syndicated Realty and Development, our goal is simple: to help you find relief, achieve success in selling your distressed property, and creating a financial future that you are satisfied with. Let us be your partners on this journey. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you turn your property challenges into opportunities.